住記得仲有一個同學仔喺新亞書院，可能係個樓梯定係個 bench 嗰度同我示愛。呢個就係我當時喺度住嘅新亞書院嘅宿舍啊！哇，我就係瞓呢張床噶。See you HK，Let's go！ Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel。今日咧好開心可以去中大做呢個演講同埋跳舞啦，同埋唱歌啦。心情咧都有啲興奮同埋期待，因為我初由紐約21歲嘅時候咧嚟香港咧係喺中大讀交流生嘅，跟住今次咧我哋又會去翻新亞嘅書院嗰度去做 performance 啦。因為我當時咧都係住喺新亞書院嘅 ，so I'm so excited。我仲記得對面個 canteen 嘅嗰個紅豆冰咧係極度好飲㗎。啱啱嚟香港頭嗰半年就係中大嘅生活啦。好似我個廣東話老師李老師咧今日都會嚟去睇我哋嘅，咁所以 I'm so excited。I don't know about you guys, but it's gonna be nostalgia。所以帶你哋一齊今日拍呢個 vlog。See you！ 大學站，大學站。哇！仲記得以前搭小巴就係呢個位落，定喺呢個位入去？哈哈，好似喺呢座大廈都上過課程，上過 Tourism 101。我嘅 nostalgia 婆婆又出咗嚟啦。呢度有個 chapel 㗎。哦 ，so nice！ 我記得嗰時新亞係都幾高㗎，所以要喺山上去，落到去地鐵站都要一段路，定係搭嗰啲校巴 ，like this one。哎呀！我記得嗰座大廈，我記得中間有個空間係 for 啲人去有啲活動啦。咁跟住我記得第一次睇咗3個都幾靚仔嘅中大嘅師兄喺度跳 dance， 跟住我就 I need to join that dance group。Hello， 跟住之後就即刻 join 咗 CU dance 啦，哈哈。跟住就去選講者啦。My goodness， 今日就喺呢度演講啦。好靚嘅陽光啊！今日 so nice，my goodness，耶！中大 I'm back，see you HK，let's go！ 啊，好舒服啊！新亞書院喺邊啊？係咪喺上邊啊？係咪再上啲？我嗰時住嗰度㗎。啊，你係新亞畢業？我係中大讀交流生嘅。所以我嗰時住新亞咯，跟住大部分 international student 喺 I House， 係啦 I House 喺邊啊？喺下邊，我等陣要去啊！我想去翻新亞書院望下，等陣。Yay！I'm so excited！ 開心啊，勁開心啊 ！Look at this beautiful place。Okay，let's go。校園嘅感覺，校園嘅感覺。
你啲 dancer 喺晒裏邊。
Is everyone dressed? Yes? Hi! What's up, my girls? What's up, what's up? Hey, let's go, let's go! Let's go, let's go! Cutie pie. 我今日拍 vlog 㗎。
Oh, you have a DJI now.
Yeah, I filmed it a long time. Oh yeah.
Let's go.
Let's go. Good show, good show, good show, good show.
Get down.
Sticky.
Get down.
Yay, we're here.
So cute.
Thank you.
Are you ready to get down with us?
We about to get down. We about to get down. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. And my sexy Catherine. Hey, give it to me, give it to me. I love my baby. Are you ready for today?
Of course.
Are you excited for today?
Always ready.
My sexy babies. Let's rehearse. Let's go, girls. Let's go, let's go.
鼓掌唔該。
呢個係李老師，當時我喺中大咧係教我廣東話嘅，跟住我記得我入咗 TVB 之後都係繼續去上堂，因為入 TVB 之後啲中文要再升咧少少啦，係啊，好好啊，同埋教好多拍攝嘅詞語啦，例如呢個係攝影師，呢個係電視城，係啦劇本啦，有時劇本啦、古裝啦，就得李老師救命啊！呢啲字我完全唔識讀，跟住之後就問晒 TVB 所有嘅化妝啊、服裝啊，全部呢個字點讀，呢個字點讀，跟住就而家
好勁啊！
進步如飛。
係啦，冇問題啊！
跟住我記得李老師，你成日都同我講一句 I believe you can fly。
係啊，而家
都未飛，要繼續進步。
好啦！
我開心啊！你今日喺度，因為我係每一次翻到嚟中大咧，我好似有冇睇過反轉嘅朋友？嗰個老婆婆咧，第二集嘅嗰個老婆婆，佢我記得當年咧就跟住
冇啊！
唔係啊！我一諗翻中大，因為我成日發夢都係翻中大咧，我會喺我自己唔同嘅學校會發翻啲夢咯。雖然做嘅嘢有啲奇怪，例如有個火車會喺中大度。有火車喎喺入邊，我哋喺入邊，
所以真係 inside。
係啊真係，以前成個笑到。係啦，For this beautiful day, that we can be in front of 1,400 students, and
they feel the love from heaven.
Yes,
God, this is your day. You.
Amen.
好嘅。我落去啦。
Why? Oh, okay. Hey. 識聽廣東話，然後是講普通話的，講普通話的，講英文的。God said that you are fearfully and wonderfully made。你哋每一個都係佢好寶貴嘅女兒同埋孩。We're all a masterpiece of God。希望你哋每日都會知道你哋多麼的寶貴。Thank you，多謝各位，多謝你哋俾呢個機會我同我中大可以分享我嘅見證。Thank you so much。
剛才王冰冰小姐的分享和表演非常精彩，接下來。
呢個就係我當時喺度住嘅新亞書院嘅宿舍啊 ！This is amazing! This is amazing! 咦！哇！多謝！哇！我完全都唔記得咯，我就係記得間房好似係同一個女仔 share 嘅。
呢度係雙人房。
係啦係啦係啦！
係啊！
哇 ！This is amazing! Hi！又拍下你哋先，係，我以前住呢度㗎，真係㗎。點啊？而家住新亞書院有咩感受？放 講翻下你哋有咩感受？好唔好住？
非常之好住。
係啦，啲設備點樣？
有最近有翻身啊！
係咪啊？哦，近排有翻身。canteen 最好食嘅係咩？
佢最近出咗新嘅咩咖喱飯啊，跟住咩炸豬扒嗰啲都全部都非常好味。
我記得最好飲就係嗰個紅豆冰，係豆漿溝紅豆一齊做嘅。跟住我話
依家冇啦，
冇啦，而家
供應商啦，已經
仲有供應商
哦。但係我喺中大嘅經歷係好開心嘅。Anyways, nice seeing you guys.
Nice to see you.
Thanks for having me here. 可唔可以上去睇埋你哋間房啊？
咁得意嘅。
哇！點解有隻狗嘅
呢個係我哋社監嘅狗狗，係啊，
？Hello cutie pie，
係好乖嘅，好乖嘅狗嚟。
好善良啊！隻眼睛，我可以參觀啊！Let's go， 行樓梯 ，go go go， 做下運動。哇！呢個樓梯啊，好刺激啊！哇哇哇！就係呢個3樓。
我阻住。
哇！哇！
你已經上咗嚟緊急上嚟爭。
Oh my god！我嗰時就係住呢度㗎，即係我就係記得啲房咯，我唔記得我住幾多樓啦。
可以。
哇！我就係瞓呢張床㗎，我係瞓左邊㗎。Oh my goodness！This is so crazy！Oh my god！我冇諗到19年後
都係一樣樣。
係冇改過，幾好啊，幾唔錯啊！哇！哇！我啲 memories 翻嚟，我以前真係就係瞓呢張床，
唔係，可能張床都冇變過嘅。
可能我就係張床，跟住個枕頭仲係呢個枕頭。但係嗰時就覺得好幸福咯，可以嚟到香港跟住讀交流生，好開心啊！因為嗰時喺紐約好多年啦，都冇翻過嚟。跟住就考到中大咯，我成間大學得2個位㗎咋，跟住我就話其實我細個我係喺嗰度出世，但係我冇翻過去，好懷念嗰個地方，令到我又好有屋企嘅感覺。跟住我寫咗一大篇嘢，跟住佢哋就收咗啦，耶！跟住就可以產生我嘅生涯啦，演藝生涯。多謝你哋啊，我好開心啊！
開心見到你。
哇，喺度，哇做緊拱橋，喂，加油啊！加油啊！
多謝。
我以前就係喺呢度食飯啊，日日梁鴻基係咪啊？哇！係咪就喺呢度啊？再入啲。哇！Hi！ 哇！有個大 dinner。Hello 各位。
1 hour later。
哇！終於食埋個飯，跟住阿院長咧邀請我可以翻去宿舍，可以翻去中大入邊再慢慢參觀。So I'm gonna do that another day， 因為原來我真係好中意，好念舊啊！跟住諗翻嗰啲 good memories，so nice。跟住記得翻自己第一次同一班朋友仔去泰國 vacation， 跟住記得仲有一個同學仔喺新亞書院，可能係個樓梯定係個 bench 嗰度同我示愛。跟住我話我老豆需要我將來個老公有2層樓嘅，佢話嚇我喺 Laos 嗰度咧有兩座啊 ，I have 2 buildings。I was like oh anyway， 雖然佢好靚仔，但係 don't trust what boys say，OK？You're more than that。真係揾一個你真係好愛嘅人咯。係啊 ，which I did。今日好美滿啊 ！Until next time， 我再去 see you 嘅時候去 reminisce， 我先至再拍。But for now， 今日呢集我覺得好 amazing， 可以咁多年之後去翻我香港21歲翻嚟住嘅第一個地方啦。所有嘅大學生都仲係好可愛。I still feel so young. I still feel like I could talk to them like for hours。跟住頭先院長同我講咧，佢話 Welcome back。I was like oh。So touch, welcome back, Greece. One day, Father in heaven. 我哋上天父爸爸，當我哋去天堂嘅時候 ，Welcome back, my child. Oh, that would be the most amazing. That would be heaven. 所以係啊，今集就完啦，講太多啦，下一集再見，bye.